good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, happy Kaw Punim. Kaw Punim means the day of Kashmiri Pandits when they respect and regard the birds. The birds, the birds, the birds. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the bird, quenching thirst. Water is the elixir of life. No life without water. So what exactly is happening? I'm trying to tell you. Kashmiri Pandits, we have lost our roots. We have lost our fabric. We have lost our homes. We are homeless for the last 30 years. And ladies and gentlemen, respect birds, respect animals. Animals, yech sund doch chu asan. Kaw Punim chu asan kawan khatran. Birds, and of course, that is what was and needs to be Kashmiri Pandits now. We need to revive our relics, monuments. I will say that these are the milestones. These are the relics. These are the monuments, and these are the parcham flags of Kashmiri Pandits. All these things like Kaw Punim, Yech Sundo, and so many other festivals, so many other celebrations, so many other important days. So, as Kaw Punim, it just struck me while I was going that no person, we even have lost the focus to take care of the environment, the nature, the biodiversity around us. We have to respect nature. We have to love the birds. We have to love the animals. We have to love the life. Last of all, and then only everything will coexist. Coexisted all species, all animals, birds, castes, religions, creeds, colors also, black, white, brown. Then only we can have this beautiful world of ours. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting late now. I just wanted to share these thoughts on this very happy occasion, though with a heavy heart because of this Pulwama massacre terror attack of 14th February 2019, in which 41 that poor soldiers of India were killed. Very sad. But I have also left because of this terrorism. 30 years back in 1990, my family, 2 houses of big houses, ours have also been burnt. Many of our friends and relations, some of the relations also have been killed in the terrorism, and we ran for life. So that's a different matter. Today's focus is Kaw Punim. Kaw Punim, and ladies and gentlemen, Kaw Punim Mubarak from this homeless Kashmiri Pandit Sanjay Kher. God bless you. Mubarak, I can let it be. Kaw Punim Mubarak. Stay happy, stay healthy, and respect birds, animals, each and every creation and manifestation on this planet Earth. That's very important. Then only we can live a very exuberant and happy life. Because we want happiness. Everybody wants happiness. So happy life. These are the things which are very important. And respect and regard the biodiversity. Kaw Punim hunchu aaj to be akred mubarak. Mubarak. Aaj chu 19 February 2019. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you.